or sharing. Oh, okay. Sorry. Let's take a look at our guest song today. She's a musician, she's a fresh mother, she's a wife, and she's so proud. And when you look at her on social media talking about her boo, Ogamba, yes, everybody should get married. But yes, we have Hellen, Lukoma, Mama Heaven. Let's take a look at one of her songs then to come out. And yes, that's Hellen Lukoma with one of her latest, I think.
Yes.
Bakaita my baby.
Yes, my
baby.
baby.
Mukuru kaka.
Anna ninkaimbira abantu.
How are you? I noticed you were pregnant.
Yes, I'm doing good. How are you?
How was it like? Filming about you?
It was
heavy.
It was a nice experience. Of course, we were the first time we were here to but it was a beautiful experience.
Ngaba kusiga enziro.
Omwana
wayinza okulwanga afaanana bo. Okay. Yes. Wachikola deliberately to keep such memories? Oba
oluyimba lwali luze nga tulina okushootinga abafans baffe muna tulina bakolera ate to me still guba mulimu, so nalina okubeera keeping on nga nkola so I had to work.
Wasuze otya?
Bulungi wasuze otya?
Ng'owoomye.
Nensinga
orange. Si byakusingana, byaku appreciatinga. Saakulabye nabbinga ejjo, omwana akutawaanya.
Nadde nyonsa.
Wajiddwa okuyonsa. Nga twabadde ne bannakawereri nga balina n'abaana baabwe.
Neno yaddeko ku internet nga I'm supporting the whole way.
Ne balindowooza bo balina experience go your first time mother.
Yes.
I know what it feels like to be a
yes,
first time mother. Ne bw'olaba muniira ng'eyita wali.
Okisegeera.
Kuluma baby ali wa. Bakuzaala Masaka?
Yes, ndi wa Masaka.
Layira wallahi.
Nindako mama wange ye Masaka, nze manzaira ali e Makindi Nsandi.
Tekisoboka. Muyina gye muva okujja e Makindi.
Tu mama wange Masaka, daddy Mukono.
Kyaggwe ne Buddu.
Pirabika byebyo.
Then gwe nobeera wa Kyaddondo.
Oba bana simanyi bulungi. Daddy oyo.
Daddy ki?
Daddy teyanyinyonyola bulungi awo.
Yafa.
Ne Mukono. Tanyinyonyola bulungi, ngenda mubuuza nga nze ewaka.
Akuwulira ajja nakwekubirira essimu.
Nze nfudde.
So wakulira Makindi.
Yes.
Mama Masaka.
Yes.
That mix ne mixera si y'amaanyi mwena muli Baganda.
Maganda.
Tolabika nnyo Baganda. Kirabika jjajjaawo ye yali Wenyamushozi.
Ndi Muganda.
Wewa. You are the sixth born,
yes.
Last one.
The last born, yes.
How was it like being last born, growing up with everybody older than you?
It's a beautiful feeling, I believe, because everyone is there for you, even up to now. Buli omu, the love is good. Of course, nakubisanga banji emigo.
Lwaki nga weekala. Tolabika ino obuntu obwo.
Nakubisa sitange Jackie. Ay, emigo native. Mukulu wange.
Lwaki Jackie?
Simanyi yali omuwala, between us mulimu omulenzi. Ogo basinga okuba Hellen akabira ki nziba engoye ze abbe zange kale byonna ebyo.
Kasooka bamubooti nga banonya gwe bakuba.
Yes.
Walina effujjo oba walifuna bukulu?
Simanyi wabula simanyi ddala. My mom yalinga agamba nalinga musirifu nnyo.
Kizibu.
Nze mama wange kusomero nalinga nzina, nali muzinyi kusomero, nali Miss Interact, nali Miss bw'essomero. Kwega
wali kawala kalungi mu bufunze.
Kati daddy yandaba ku TV lumu nga nzina, twalina ku talent show nga nzina. Daddy naddeka n'agamba ndabye Hellen ku
biseera ebyo waliwo TV.
Nali nakayingira secondary S1 nengenda ka talent show. Simanyi TV daddy yandabako. Nangamba ndabye Hellen ku TV, nagamba oyo Hellen wange.
Tekisoboka.
Hellen mami mami amanyi ndi musirifu nnyo.
Yali amanyi.
Wanda balaba soogera. Agamba sewa abantu. Oba kati ne kati olumu agamba I surprise her a lot, though I'm supporting her, but I surprise her. So my mom ndoza alaba ndi musirifu nnyo, ndi shy nnyo. I don't know.
So wali kaana katategeereke kakamiliyoni.
Awengwa.
Okola kyokola mu time yakyo.
Kati nga takikiriza Hellen. Kusomero nga nsoma bulungi nnyo, ewaka nkomawo ndi clean nga mune Hellen. Nze mami yangamba nga yantwala nkusomera mu nursery. Ngaba yinza omanyi olunka abaana ku gate.
Olwo osomerawo.
Nursery nali kasomero kaita mother care. nengera ku BBC.
BBC eri mu UK.
Wano. Ya wano. Ole mama. Nga wandeka what ku get. Wansanga oreggulo. Nti nga tannoonya. Nga amanyi that position wansanga.
Kusomero. Nga tosoma.
Like
oba omanyi wagenda okusanga. Bw'omaliriza byonna station.
Yes.
Pick up station.
Clean. Kayakuza hete niyazanya ddi. Nga n'ebyokulya mbumbiza.
Naye nga wali tozanya. Okay. Mu bwana obwanyiizira ntoyagala akalala kakooneko.
Ebyokulya bipakinze wembiza.
Kati ng'olyaki olunaku?
Simanyi nange sijjukira.
Kirabika baakuwanga ku byabanno.
Oba taka nabi simanyi Jessica naye nga ngamba mbizi.
Kwega, your childhood was the opposite of your adulthood.
Yes. I believe.
What you kira
Simanyi, but all I know when I get in secondary, I loved entertainment. Nekusomero mu primary, ngambera nnyo MDD, mami enofaananyi nga nzina amaganda. But I always loved MDD. I always loved everything.
Okay.
Bikola nendoze waka bayita bamanyi bumanya.
Ewaka ndowooza waliyo baganda babalala baali babikola?
Nina sister wange. Yes, my sister Rachel yali acting ku ssomero. She was a model ya contesting ako Miss Uganda. My eldest sister. Then toza yeye ne Jackie yalinga amayiminga ku ssomero. Wonagenda nga amayiminga nga yo wakabi bana.
Wagendayo?
Nagenda ku ssomero twali ku ssomero. Nagira mu S1 yali afuluma but nga ku ssomero wakabi amayiminga. Nawe
nogaanira okuba wakabi. Nokikwata gwe nogaa kankyongereyo ku level ndala. Olwosomera primary ne secondary?
Primary nasomera ku Shimwe demonstration. Secondary nasomera ku Lubiri SS. Nengenda ku Aga Khan. Yes.
Okay. No graduatingira ku Aga Khan?
No, na graduatingira ku MWASUZEMUTYA. MWASUZEMUTYA ya Nakawa. MWASUZEMUTYA kwe na graduate.
Olwosoma ki business?
Bachelor International Business, yes. Okay. Nakola business nensoma ne law.
Law ki?
Law.
Which one?
Law. Nasoma law.
Business law. Wewe umsomera wa Makere. Oba naye MWASUZEMUTYA.
Nze nasoma law mwa nasoma na accounts. Bannanga accounts.
Wasoma ne mass communication. You know like
Bachelor International Business nga mulimu law, mulimu accounts, mulimu statistics, mulimu Church International Business. Nasoma ne French. Kale ruchecho chenda.
Obonye Hellen.
Nnyo. Nasoma ne French nempita.
Nofuna upper second.
Nayita.
Oh. Tewaddamu.
Ze nayita ne graduate nga tukona ne party.
Because last born yali alina okukola party. Mwagikolera?
Twakolera party. Mami yantwala to having a very nice family dinner ku Hotel Africana. Nampa room ne tusala cake kale.
Nebiggwa okusoma n'okuggalawo ne bagamba Hellen otandika di masters.
Okitegeera
nedda nze ngenda kuzina.
Nali ngenda soma masters nagirowoozaako nnyo. Mami ng'ajagala masters oba n'agimuwa.
Sikiwa.
Naye yatuuka naye yagita.
Ati ng'alaba tejja kusoma.
Twaginoonya nendaba akasente nga ndi ready naye ate nga nkola ate nga I'm earning. Masters nefuuka nzibu.
Byennoonya byennina.
Nengamba mami sokola be masters eyo.
Soko giwa omulala.
Nagimutuuzaamu. And it made sense.
Naga Hellen nkutadde. Okay. So obsessions ogiyingira ddi?
Obsessions nagiyingira ndi mu S1. Ojjukira akashoke nagamba ke nagenda nenzinako ddali nanda ku TV. Munanga tefa abagala talent nagenda mukono yamba aliyo kasho kaliko Hotel Africana. Natandise okuzina omanye by'essomero tugenda ku representing essomero. Kati nali nzina kasho nagenda okulaba nga obsessions bazinza esi bamanyi na bamanya but my sister Jackie knew them. Ne bajja ne bambuuzaako of course bajja bangamba
bakubuuzaako olungaani ng'akaana kabadde kazina bikatategeera.
TV ne bayimuka bajje bankimi.
Ronnie yali baali
waka ne bandaba
nga wazina nnyo
bannange gwe sikimanyi
gaali maganda oba gana amazungu
nalina whenever we meant to be together
akaana kalina kubeera wa
ne bajja we baŋŋamba story.
The whole group or Ronnie alone?
The whole group came. Neza simanyi naye bajja abala ne bawogana nze nali amacha kati wajja bajja direct to me. Aseka what's your name? Simaindo's about I don't know. Well, I know they came, they asked me what's your name, we want you to join our group. Cause it's okay one mommy. Of course we're explaining girl, no mbaka it's okay one mommy. Nebanga bagenda
kujja. Nenga bachikugamba wakyagala.
I didn't know. All I know that I love dancing. Bangambi tugende ne ngamba nze ngenda. Mangamba nkyasoma tugende wa mami munange ne bakuba essimu ne bajja ewaka ewa mami.
Wabagamba nze ngenda ogenda wewaka.
Nabagamba I want dancing, yes. Kyonna as long as you know mulaba mama wange bazadde bange ne bajja ewaka ne tuba directions ne bajja ewaka, but my sister knew them. Bwe nagamba mami ne daddy, my sister knew Rich Jackie was like, oh my god, that's nice.
Ebiseera ebyo obsessions yali mbaani?
Yalimu abalenzi nga baala bavuddemu kyenzijukira, mwalimu Brenda yekka. So ne bajja eka ne boogera ne mami, daddy n'agamba as long as my child stays in school, as long as this, of course, not take our rules, Helen has to go to church every Sunday, blah blah blah.
Daddy yali kochi?
I did daddy. Yeah, but because I'm explaining them, my sisters, they told him, you know what, daddy, if this is Helen's direction, this is Helen's direction. Bena mukama yako.
Olonga golye no gamba nze njagenda.
Musaga simanyi. Nani simanyi. But my mom naye yali supportive ngagamba hey mwana wange, you know those things bambi. So mna ne bakkiriza nengenda. That's how I changed to Aga Khan. Because really right bakkiriza
Lubiri.
Nali Lubiri. Nengenda Aga Khan.
Okuba obsessions wali no kuba n'enviiri.
Simanyi oba yali system ndo zaali wagala tulageko emyaka older, I believe. Katuka nga bakkiriza enviiri.
Esinya wanu nga wali katonyi.
No.
Around 13, 14.
I was so young. Nenkuza enviiri nenda kwa Aga Khan. Kati ngava kwa Aga Khan kusoma nenzira mu rehearsals, ku Sundays nga ngenda ewaka. Basically, that's how it moved.
Nenga starting at obsessions byali bitya?
Banange was excited.
Mu environment y'aba boys.
Kati ebyedda simanyi bwe
jukira bano mwasulanga mu same house.
Twasula mu same house naye nga baala balina ebisenge byabwe. Twalina different sections abalenzi basula.
Mami yakkiriza bakutwale?
Mami yakkiriza.
Okay.
As long as I go to school, as long as I report back to her, as long as I'm home every weekend.
Olonga basubiza n'okusasula?
Yes, bali basula ne mama wange era sasulako ekitundu naye kino naye sikimanyi paka we nakula.
Ani yali asasula ekitundu?
Obsessions yali asasula ekitundu ne mama wange asasulako ekitundu.
Church, school fees. All right.
So nengenda.
Nga tebakuwa cash mbweno your money is paid mu school fees.
Yes. Ne mami ngateekako balance. Ne tusasula wamu. It was exciting when natuuka banaize nali nnyumirwa batuyigiriza bingi, obsessions yanjigiriza bingi. Ne ntuukayo nga rehearsinga nga tubeerayo nga tuzina day and night. It was a very beautiful experience. Kyenkola nali nkyagala.
Okay. Then tewatandikirawo ogenda for performances?
Satandikirawo bampa a month of training, teaching me here and there, do this, batambula ati mu high heels, try to zinira mu Bukondo.
Oli kataala?
Kataala nnyo. Naye it was beautiful. I was willing to learn. I'm a kind of person who wants to learn. Zembanjala okuyiga n'enjiga.
Kogate wakiinaamu nnyo kigendererwa ky'amaanyi, you were just enjoying?
I was just dancing. This is it. Over stage, over no stage, me, I'm dancing. I'm dancing, I'm enjoying it, I'm enjoying entertainment. It's a nice man.
Okay, so the first time on stage, ebyaddala. Ng'oli otya, jjukira wakula oli shy?
First time on stage, mami yajja. All I know is that nduka ku stage ne ndaba mami mu audience. Nsanyukirawo nze. It was beautiful, etuuzi.
Bwe mwabeeranga mulina performance nga bakuŋŋanya all your parents, oba mami yagamba let me go and see what Hellen is doing?
Yes, me I had a phone, I would call my mom. Kati nga mami bajja, me all I know is that the first performances bazadde bange balinganga mu audience ne baganda bange. That was enough. After performance bajja backstage ne bandeetera ebyokulya
Olinga ali mu pitu orange.
Chocolate. Mami najja nampayo akasente ne tunyumya because I had to go back to the house. So to me it was
BD.
Okitegeera ne banga bakoze bulungi gwabasinga. So it was a beautiful.
Olonga muli mutya ne Brenda, the only two girls?
Brenda, kat by then bateka mno omuwala omulala balita omuwala omulala Macreen, olw'omwala ya joining awo. Brenda is quiet in nature. She was quiet. We were okay. Me, I didn't have a problem with anyone. I would talk to anyone. It was a good experience. I think I am open-minded. I'm not silemera ku bintu sijja kutuula awo mbere munyiivu. I am open-minded. kintu taata wange kyeyankuza ngamba you wake up with a smile, you have a brighter day. Nege bolooza ensi eri against you, buli omu omunyigire, buli omu omu attitude naye kutuulira. So I was more open-minded, I was young, I was happy, I was jolly, I was smiling. So
kyatambulira bulungi. Ku bazadde bo ofaanana ani?
Daddy. Mami agenda kunzita. No, mami abeera agamba ennyindo ya daddy. Ennyindo ya daddy. I think I look like my dad.
Lukoma mubeera muddira ki? Musu.
Ayina kufa. Mamba. Kasimba. Mamba. Mami gyali ndowooza nga naye omwana oyo. Mamba tusibiraawo.
Kodira mamba. It's a unique name. Sara nali sijuliranga najoyira kugo.
Wow, Lukoma nantawetwa. Unbreakable.
Mwena mwe ba Lukoma waka.
Yes.
Okitata ye Lukoma ani?
Mr. Lukoma Godfrey Chiyaga.
Mochi.
Muganda.
Nedda engineer wa nyonyi.
Oh, my dad is a carpenter. Mama, engineer nyonyi tandikiddeyo.
Nantawetwa.
Doctor, no. Carpenter. My dad is a carpenter.
Okay, akola furniture.
Akola furniture. Ndaona mutuwe emirimu njaba enamba ye. Akola bino byonna. Is very talented.
Ate mami yakuza bana.
My mom is a politician. She's into politics. My mom is a counselor. Kaza gumide.
Ku kitundu
ebizibu byonna waffe. Ebyo byonna bamumanyi mukyala Lukoma. Ayamba abakyala, ayamba families.
Alinganga n'abakyala ku kyalo.
Okitegeera yoyo. Mukazi wa maani.
Okay. Wow. Naye waito ina muswaza. So obsessions, you go on for wamala mbanga ki?
Obsessions nagenda nenkola S4, S5 mwe naviramu. S5.
Choka waviramu wali mu S5?
Yes.
Ngoli katonyo.
Naviramu S5.
Kanjukira ngi yavudde mu kwosa je.
I know. But naviramu S5 because nasoma S4 sajisoma bulungi.
Ngolo muziki gukutte.
Omuziki gukudde. Nedda nagisoma to my level kubanga navanga ne rehearsing olumu nga sisoma bitegeere ebyokutambula I'm traveling here and there.
Atalonge gundi ekutte akati.
Then S6 nzijukira headmaster yayita abazadde bange abatuufu.
Abatuufu?
In the sense baroni be bagendangayo okusasula buli kimu nga bakwasaganya bo. Mu S5 headmaster n'akubira mama.
Yambo tuyambe.
Kusomera. Kati nasoma nnyo bulungi mu S5. N'agamba omwana ono senga abaddeyo constantly. Actually it was S6 first term. Senga omwana ono asoma bulungi ajja kuyita. Kati ye nga suggestinga omwana nzireyo mu S5.
Repeat P5.
Nve mu obsessions.
Olwayogeranga ani nga headmaster?
Ayogeranga headmaster ali concerned. I think he saw simanyi. Bami n'abeera ne concern n'agamba you know what Hellen can pass ku government watuula n'agivaamu eri n'aconcentrating. Kati ekyembi yali agala nzire mu S5.
N'ogamba osaaga?
Mami n'agamba osaaga. Which was understanding but bwe tudde mu S5 era ziba ssente. Akasente tekaaliwo bulungi. Ate ng'agamba Hellen addeyo asoma ate agala nve mu obsessions ekyo ne ngamba mami kiziina kuba kizibu.
Ekyokuva mu obsessions n'ekyokudda mu S5. Nga bagamba olondako ki? Kudda mu S5?
Simanyi by that time nze nzijukira nali nga mami bandekeze nina okuzina. But I remember my dad yantula n'agamba Hellen kino tukikola kuna tukwagala. I remember my dad yantuza, it was a touching moment n'agamba Hellen I love you so much. Education is important. Kati ate ekyembi tebakwatagana ne obsessions. For them they are willing okundeka nneme kusoma.
Bani?
Aba obsessions. For him he had this view nti it's a stupid one. Beautiful girls don't need to study.
Ani tugamba Roni?
Beautiful girls don't need to study. You get. So nga mami agamba kale tweyongereyo. But for them bakiramu obuzibu kitegeera kibaza amabega double school fees. So my mom nagamba no. My dad was like Hellen olina okusoma. Education is key olina okusoma.
Kati tusazeewo amazina gaveeko.
Amazina gaveeko. So nagavaako mu 6 nenzirayo
against your will.
Against my will, but because my parents have to
no day mu S5.
Sadde mu S5 ne continue okusoma.
Aga can't still.
Nensoma.
Eno bagamba otya nti basebo bye.
Daddy yayogedde. What daddy says. Yangamba soma omale oddeyo. Which made sense. Right now it makes sense. By then I stood up. Nensoma bulungi, nensoma.
Wabagamba nti ngenda kudda after 1 year of senior six.
That was the goal. Nengenda nensoma bulungi, no communication, nensoma nemmala, nenzirayo actually. Amala okusoma bulungi, nenzirayo.
Ne baku welcoming.
Nema welcoming. Nembeerawo, nenzirayo nembeerawo, kati awo nkuzeemu nembeerawo. Ate nenvaayo era.
Olwo kyeki kujjayo. Wavaayo mazeeyo?
Naddayo bwe namala 6 bwenti nenzirayo.
Okuvaayo wali mazeeyo uni?
Okuvaayo nali nkyali mu uni. First year, navaayo actually first year.
Kugamba ogenda namalayo just 1 year?
Namalayo 1 year.
Olwo kyeki kujjayo mutandise okuyomba?
Kati ngenze kati I think nakulamuko obwongo ne you know, the fact that I had a strong family nga bambuulirira, also my brain became
ate nolabanga the first one, the 1 year gye wavaayo, life still moved on.
It still moved on. Nagenda nensoma bulungi nenvaayo nenzira campus. Kati nenzira campus mwenzira baali batandise okuyimba, netandika okuyimba, but then they made it seem impossible for me to go to school. Kitegeera, they made it impossible for me to go to school.
Oh, obsessions.
Yes.
Like training,
ate they would like insist like, why are you studying? They made me feel like education
all the other
was
girls
were
not studying, right?
They were not. Apart from Cleo. Cleo was done. Cleo ali amaze.
You, Sharon, Brenda, Cleo, Shiba.
Jackie. Shiba yajja tugenda. Shiba agenda oyingira nze nga nfuluma.
Jackie. Macrin yali have them.
Macrin yali yavaamu dda. Ne Cleo actually yali yavaamu dda.
Natasha
yali yavaamu dda. Kati they made it impossible in the sense that njagenda kusomera ate bateekawo program. Tugenze mu studio ate magame n'ekigezo ate bataddewo studio. Ate ntandise okwebba, literally ntandika okwebba. I started becoming the child who has a big head. You know, bagamba tugenda mu studio magame n'ekigezo. Nze nga nebba ngende nkola ekigezo. Bwenzira they'd be against me. You know how everyone will look at you or what they'll talk about it.
Nekivaamu.
Nekigaana.
Ne wagambe wannyo waawo. Tewasiibula.
Nasiibula bulungi. I wrote my resignation letter.
Ate wavaayo ne Brenda.
Bulungi ne Brenda naye I think byali bitandise okugaana.
Tugende tumulemu. You went against your boss.
No, I wasn't.
Hellen Lukoma is our guest. Katumulemu katano to come out. For joining us tuli ne Hellen Lukoma abatulengera ku Facebook Kajambo. I see you in big numbers n'abali ku YouTube namwe. Tusiima nnyo wetuwumuliddemu nga mwewagudde ne Brenda. So mwakwatagana nnyo mutya cause wali mu kusooka ogambye yali musirifu.
Tetwewagula, time yaffe yali etuuse.
Olwo nga mubaza mugenda ku ki going solo?
No, actually nze when nava mu obsessions nakolako ku New Vision gola. Nakolako marketing.
Nga lawyer.
No,
ati wangabye wasoma.
Nali andikirowooza naye sinakumala bwa law. Nali nkyali ku ssomero. Bwe nava mu obsessions nakolako ku New Vision marketing. Nakolako mu marketing.
Marketing nga muzibu wamalanga ko.
Nagamba nze ndimu.
Akawungeezi.
Nakola marketing, but then when nakola marketing, Brenda, right, nali nkola marketing nga bwe tunoonya n'ekyokukola ne Brenda. Then we decided to do HB Toxic.
Musooka okuvaako mu industry ya entertainment mugendako mubiri. Kati how was it like?
It was hard.
It
was very hard. I was not prepared for the world. When I got out in the world, I wanted more, I wanted better. Ensi yali nzibu. Tewali kyabwerere. You have to work hard, pay rent.
But obsessions. You went back home?
I didn't go back home. I got a house. Na renting akayumba kange. Nali nsavinga, obusente butono babusasulanga nali nsavinga nsi. So when navaayo nenfuna akayumba kange nga mwembera, but it was hard to keep up.
For her baby doll to be renting?
I think she knew I had to grow. She wanted me to fly. Era yajjanga yewaka nandabako nanongoserezaako. Gajira ddala nevaayo nefuna akayumba kange. Nenkola mu New Vision for a while nebigaana.
Olwo New Vision ogiyingira otya?
Nakola interview. Nagenda ne ba interviewinga nempita. Ne bakubira essimu ne bampa omulimu. Then nenkola nenga the night life was
calling. Kati watuka abaana baga kano sike kawala akazi.
Era nga bonna abantu noira bwe bati. alina okukola naye ne bigaana ne birema ne nvaayo.
Kyanti marketing yemu ye sales, right?
Yes, sales.
Kati ng'ogenda n'onywa
Ngenda nyingira mu offices naye munaye bw'oyingira mu
kati
office
wafunayo
y'omuntu.
kalango n'akamugabisi.
Navaayo ate batandika okunkubira. Ate ennamba yatandika oziweereza boss. Ne mugamba, oh, this one called me. Era kyali kizibu otuuka mu office y'omuntu olumu tebabaawo, olumu babagoba, bannange nga batugobagoba n'eriiso. No, we are not. We shall call you. Nenkola ne bigaana.
Kugaba butakola sales ezo kyekyakuggyayo.
No, it became hard.
This is not mine.
It is possible, but it was hard for me. And I was young and I was in
so
school. And I actually enjoyed the nightlife more. So me and Brenda netutula netugamba nemugamba Brenda biganye.
Olwo nga mwekubirako n'omubuuza Brenda gwe yoli kuki?
Yes, ngava ku mulimu ngenda naye
Ye ng'akola ki?
naye yali asowinga engoye ze. Yali atunga yakitandisa okikola professionally. Nengendayo nga tula tuba n'ennaku y'emu bizibu byebimu. Nenangamba tukole kino ngamba why not? Netunoonya erinnya netukola ki alibi n'atukwatirako. Netukola detoxic.
Olwo mwesize ekya mulowooza muli baakabi mu kuyimba?
Twali baakabi.
Targetinze music or dance?
Both, because twava eri nga tuli bayimbi twatandisa okuyimba and we are dancers, we are good performers. And we can do this. Netukwasaganya fembi.
Bwe mwawandikira Ronnie ne mugamba tugenda, what was his reaction?
I remember nava najja. Brenda yali ansose actually okuwa resignation. So bwe najja nemugamba I would like to talk to you. Yangamba agenda. Nemugamba tuveeyo bulungi. Tuvireyo ddala bulungi. When natuuka actually I remember nasanga baba rehearsing nga nagamba Ronnie I would want to talk to you. Era yangamba I'm sure you want to resign. Nemuwa kadi kubanga Brenda yali ansose nalize nayo nenjimuwa nayimuka n'atambula. Nange nenyuka nenfuluma nengenda.
Teyakunyega. Teyaga resignation denied.
No, he didn't. He just walked away. That's what I remember with my memory. Yes.
Nawe n'okwatamu obubwo.
Nenkwatamu obwo. Obwange nali nabufulumya dda actually.
Oga wano bamubiwagu.
Naye nabukwata twali tulemeddwa I think. Yes, twali tulemegane. Hey.
Kiki baali tebabasasula? Oba mwalaba nga kidraginga?
Bali batandika okufa
by the way.
But I think ambitions zaffe zaatukulako ffe nga
abawa. Why ambitions?
Walina ambitions nali njagala ekintu ng'ekyange. Nange I wanted to be I wanted to be independent. I wanted to survive on my own as a girl. And system, simanyi nawe nkyogera nga sikyonoona. Kyali kinnemi, kyali tekyankolera. It's whatever got me in there died out for me.
Ekyasinga okuyingiza was the passion to dance.
The passion to
you
dance.
Guys were still
the
dancing.
Love for it, the understanding we had, we were understand. Try to tegeragana. Nali nkuzi try to tegeragana. What it stood for, kyali tekikyankwatira. What it stood for, what obsession was, didn't work for me anymore. I wanted out, and I wanted to do something better for myself.
Okay.
Yes.
So mutandika ne Brenda, HB Toxic. How did it go?
Twatandika, it was a smooth ride. Twatandika bulungi ne tukola here and then we're understanding. Brenda yakola costumes, ne tunoonya ennyimba, ne twaperformingira ddala nno. Outside
Uganda. Did you have a manager?
We had a manager, Alibi. He was the first professional manager I had in my life. He was so humble. He was so developmental. He was so honest. He showed us the right direction. And I forever thank him. Kwanza mba nonya manager. I want direction ya Ali. Jenjagala ogenderamu. If you're not like him, please don't bother.
Kati manager wo wakakati yani yateka kubanga alinga Ali.
Manager wangu bamwita Ota. He's called Ota.
Ota.
Ota, it's a weird name, eh?
Okay. Ate abagamba Mwami Kaka ye manager.
Mwami Kaka, simanyi babijja. Bwe batankana gamba Mwami Kaka.
Ye manager wa Hellen. Yava mu bwa manager. Naita
Bwa muntu omubwoti.
Actually, I thought he's your manager.
No, he's not.
Okay. So HB, ne mutambula for temwaweza na mwaka gwawera.
Twaweza twatambula emyaka gyaffe because my whole campus life I was there. Ne tutambula twabiriza ddala emyaka ne sijijjukira. Sikuswala kuno. Twatambulira ddala ne tukola, then I started acting. Nenfuna omulimu gwa acting.
Olanya ku compensate nga you can act.
It was actually Brenda used to tell me, Hellen, you can act. More obsessions vampayo ka role ne acting. I was given a chance to act. Kati benava mu obsessions oyo mwami wa acting oyo Mr. Kwezi Kaganda. Yankubire simu nangamba come for auditions. waliwo hostel yali etandika nangamba come for auditions nagenda mu auditions and also Brenda used to encourage me like Helen, you're good, you can really do this. I was given a chance which I was never given in obsessions. Mr. Q nankubira essimu nengenda mu auditions nempita nebampa role netandika oku acting. Mr. Kwezi Kaganda, yes.
Yeah, Q.
Yes, Q. Kwezi, Mr. Q.
John Q.
John Q. Kwezi Kaganda nampa role netandika oku acting mu hostel. And I also loved stage acting. Nafuna was stage acting and era nga tukyayimba. Ne tutambula ne Brenda. Then after a while,
and then you did amazingly well mu hostel.
Thank you so much. I did.
As abantu abasinga ate bakutegeera nnyo ku hostel.
Nnyo. It took me miles.
Than the obsessions, because obsessions mwali abawala bangi ate nga mwena mwaka.
Twali ba backup dancers.
Ate nga mwaka mwenda kwegamba nga singling out mpozi kasharo nako ngeri gye kaali kaake.
She was like, yes.
Anyway, yeah, so ogenda okulaba nga acting ate ekuteyo, then ate no music nosooka omuwummuza.
Nakolanga music ne acting hand in hand. Ne Brenda nakola fashion we era ne tutuuka point nga my acting took more of me, and also so Brenda, her fashion took more of her. She would earn out of it, I would earn out of this. Nera twali baana bato ebintu ebimu bye twakola tetusobagamba tewa mistakes, there were directions. Katonda yali atwalanga kati kwata wano kyuka wali, so ne tutula ne Brenda bulungi tetwayomba. Netugamba she wanted to do her fashion, I wanted to do my acting and still music. Somehow you know what? Yes, netugenda nga tetuseparinze tetulwanye. We kept on kwa yali abeerawo nga mbeera wange netandika obuzibu awo. If only maybe twali in the same house, maybe tetwandigenda in separate directions.
Good.
I'm thinking if we're in the same house.
Obuzibu bwavaawo. The fact that you are
being
busy the other
acting
side.
took day and night.
Kuwangira ne mwandi badde mu nyumba you would still act.
Yes. But maybe, I don't know. She did her fashion, I did my
acting. Anything could about you to
of course, earlier tulanayogera na fena to that direction do you want to take? Or we can hold on. We held on to music. We did. We really twalemerako netugezaako kati nvudo ku acting ekiro ate ngenda ku music nzukende ku macha ngenda. It was tearing me apart. It was tearing me apart ne choosing ekimu ku moment here. And he was understanding, teatulemerako teyalwana naffe. He gave us our way.
Okay. So mu acting olonga ni manager olwe managing.
Nze ne managing all the way.
Okay.
Nga noonya emirimu gyange ngenda ku National Theatre ne noonya movies ne nsaba emirimu ne audition nga ne bampa roles. Nengenda ne ntulawo ne ngamba kakyakaliwo ne ngenda ne nyingira ne bampa. Yes.
Graduation
graduation, yes, uni negwa.
Era no sala I'm going further with my acting.
Yes, further with my acting. Nenkola ne music wange namukolanga part time. But sometimes music a bit hard.
What much later?
Yes, you know, because music simwangu. Yes, you can have the talent, but simwangu oba toyina kwatiddeko olumu ne finance, olumu ne someone to help you, give you a direction tiyita wano yitawali, it becomes harder.
Because mwayimba wimba chine Brenda.
Twayimba all I need is you. Tunene tuyimba mpulira nkumisinga. Nesikira byanku ngira bidde.
Ogaya bidde obsession.
Yeah.
Okay, but wakati awo, did you feel nagamba? Bino byendemu byebyo, is this really my life?
I did a lot of times. A lot of times I would sit back and remember, what am I doing? Of course, wabera ne bazadde bo bane baganda bo bakwano bagamba ogenda kadwa kati inofuna ekyokola ekirala ogenda kola ki wasomerera ki leta ipapula tugenda kunoonyeza omulimu omutemuli sente. It was impossible. I did.
What was impossible?
It was impossible. Everything, acting. Bagamba oh ogenda kadwa ogenda kujawo mu pia emirimu tegirimu nno ha music ogenda kujawa. It was hard.
Nenga go tunamwona what can you do besides that? Kibali bakugamba.
Tewali kirala.
First
of all, nalinjaga okola mu bank. Nalinjaga okola mu bank nangamba bank nayo nzibu. Bokola losi bagikusasuza. Nalinjaga kuba hair hostess. Ntia nyonyize. Nenga njaga kola mu. Apply.
What to be a hair hostess atengote.
Byonna nga ntia nyonyi. Enyonyi bwekola bweti nga nsabira wessaala. Buli kimu kitya. But I sat down. My sister Rachel. I have a sister called Rachel Mwagali. She's my second mother. N'atuula ate ffe tusaba nnyo. Nagenda ku church n'ensaba Katonda. Amaze okwogera nange ne mwana Katonda, what do I need? Nenzijukira sometimes Katonda atuwa ebintu nga they're right in front of us but we just don't take them. Nfaate kola waate sente. I sat down and said, this is it. I'm an artist. I'm going to do music. I'm going to do my acting. I'm going to do my fashion. I'm going to do this till I grow old.
Around what time?
Time ya HB Toxic awo nga tugenda. Because there was a lot of ovudde obsessions. Ate ovudde wano okitegera buli wamu govaayo. What direction are you taking? I sat down and said, I'm going to do this. Katonda ampadde this chance. I'm going to do this. I'm going to look for jobs. I'm going to do this. This is me. Kino kyenjagala. Nze ndi muyimbi.
Ne family nogigamba kati mundeke. Just guide me.
Ze nafunamu. This is it. This is it.
Nokyongeramu amaanyi.
Nenkyongeramu amaanyi nenoonya emirimu gyange ne actinga. Ze nfunye ze nsavinga ze nkola bwenti nene. I worked. I was like, this is it. Kubanga at the end of the day bali mambo inokola kino kati noonyayo omulimu kolayo ka business of course business tuwetaaga. Then nalingenda ka research.
Waliko como fashion?
Yes, I did. I opened up a shop. I did.
Ngwa wetungira oba?
Nali I used to sew.
Yes,
I used to sew clothes. Nengula nengoye okuva ebweru nendeetamu nezange entungi. Yani ne fashion show bali bagita Genesis. The Genesis. Nga ndeeta ba designers abalala. Netukola fashion show nabo ne ba chance abantu okulaba engoye zaabwe nga nange bwe showcasing ezange. Nga tuzitunda engoye ku sale like akasente akatono ololabye ogamba olwo lwa 10 no ne bazitwala we batiyo bati. Yeah.
Ebyo ne bikirawa.
Ne bikirawa. Muzimu
mukiko.
Teyakirira. Genesis still exists.
Like any other business.
Any other business I've done.
Ebizibu byayo.
Yes, like any other business. But eduka lyange saligala because I couldn't afford it or because I couldn't. Yali nemerera natuuka olumu okwata n'ebingi biyiika. Yes, you can't have a giri mu basket but newe gaba 10 naye waba wagatika. Nasala unengamba kati kankole kino, kankole my music, kankole my acting, kan focusing on bulamu bwange because I also wanted a life for myself. Kubanga n'emyaka gitambula bannange. I cannot wait to hit 40.
You wanted a life for yourself?
I wanted a life for myself.
What were you doing in a life?
Sometimes obera mu entertainment business, you don't have a life.
You live for others.
We live for others. We want to show you tuli bulungi. We want to ekiro mu Twitter ina birthday attention ninayo chi ninayo kwanjula ninayo chi ninayo eno nina movie. So we are living for others. I sat down and I wanted a life for myself. My childhood, honestly, my childhood was taken part of it by obsessions. Because all I did was rehearse, do this. Ngatuka mchibugo mtunangamba omanyika nakafo sikala banko omanyono omuntu simumanyi ekizimbe kino kimanyi. Because my life was inside. We were so grounded. Ate batu era beyamba batusanga tuli batu nga tuli innocent.
In your life, you wanted like a boyfriend?
I wanted a serious relationship. I wanted to have children. I wanted to have a home of my own. I wanted to catch up with my life. Nsobola okukola ebintu ebimpa eddembe. Sebitamenya. I have my acting chimanyi nkolera emyezi 6 nga ndi mu contract. Manyi music wange njakera ngende nkola akayimba kange kantambulire nkole yakalala okitegeera. The shop, I had to travel a lot. I had to noonya about designers. Ate muje, ate tunga, ate ngwezi. Nengamba, you know what? Kansoke nkwateko ekimu. Chimu kitambule tuzeeko ekirala.
Wano mu kutunda engoye owasinga okwataganira ennyo ne Leila.
Leila twamitimbira.
Then nemu falling out wobi.
Gwabyogedde. Ati falling out wobi nedda.
Okay, si wobi nnyo.
Mwaba abireeta mwagamba nti twa falling out wobi. No.
What happened to your friendship? Because around that time, that is when this mbuga thing nakyo kyabawo. Nebakunenya gwoyo nona Leila.
Inze.
Bambi
Ngasaabira.
Kababidol ka.
Kamuli bazibu. Inze. Omubwati. I don't have that power.
Go omubwati mu.
Omubwati. No. But when I got my shop, Leila supported me. Leila is a good person. Musically, music nali njagala okwongera music wange naye akola music. Netukwata mwezo terms netukwatagana. Ebyo byambuga ne Leila sijja byogerako bingi kubanga nze in my knowledge ne magezi gange sisobola kwawula abantu babiri baba beyagala. Sinze saakina mbukwate. Yes, we had our rounds. Ng'abaana bato in our youths. Twapartinga. Of course we partied. Who doesn't want to party? Nanyumya kinga nkadde.
Ne life gye mwali mu entertainment.
Twayenjera. Twanyumirwa.
Twazunga
ne kati nkyazunga naye. Naye I do not situwa ne ngamba nakola bino. it's the time and it was the age. And if I have to do it again, I'll do it again and stop it at some age again. I had a great time. We had a great time. We had our rose, of course, with our lives with the public. Never reporting everyone ebitaliwo. But I wished only the best for Leila. Because sobola kweyagaza nsitayagaliza mukwano gwange. Kisoboka nenze siri bwenti.
Mukyawuliziganya. Are you still
Yes, we're friends. We talk. If I have a chance to meet her, I will meet her.
Did she relocate? Nga wano atulaba kizimuzimu tetukyamulaba nnyo.
That's omuvuze ya Leila.
No, she's your friend. Did she relocate?
Leila wali.
Yeah.
Wali akwasaganya.
Omuzemu mulengerako Instagram. And she's
Looking
looking good.
You know.
Ataddeko ne kaweight.
Ekyogamba nze sitaddeko.
Si bwe ngambye Leila.
Yeah.
Then you got into a relationship. Sigambe eno.
Erwa. Specify.
The other one.
Which one?
I've forgotten the name. Dean.
I can't. Muzija wano jagenda wange.
Oh, you say?
Uchimale.
Okay. Then you two are a very beautiful couple.
Actually, before I actually met Lady, I was in a relationship. I'm a kind of relationship committed girl. I met Dean. Then I much be toxic. I was acting as when I met Dean. Actually, much be toxic.
A couple ya mwenga nonji.
Yedda. Yakakati wajira.
Yakakati sofu. Chengezako gambo. So how did you meet Mr. A annual? But you have a thing for Muslim men.
Ne kuchichewa babuza katonda na inali
These are
mubuza.
facts
What
I'm
is
talking
this?
about. You have a thing for Muslim men. Kyeko yaga kufuka kakyala kasiramu.
Ndi musiramu.
Ekozi wakyuka.
Almost
Banange mami
was.
ne daddy.
Yes.
Tebawulira
No.
akaana kaabwe. They were happy for you.
My father and mother. Very different. They're supportive. We sat down, talked about it because katonda abakwada omusajja musiramu. If you want it to work, if you want to go the right direction, the man leads, the woman follows.
Okay.
Though we are the powers.
So what's your Muslim name?
Hella. Second. Hella. H-E-L-A. It means faith. Hella means faith and hope.
Wow. I haven't had it.
I was so lucky that when nanonye erinnya nagwa kweri. So terikyuka nnyo. Hellen Hella.
Era wafuba okulanga olino.
Naligwako ti. Hella.
Okay.
Kweriri.
So how did you meet Mr. A? What's his name? Anwar who?
Anwar.
So who gave him Kaka?
Kaka is a nickname.
Okay. By yourself?
No, namusanga nalyo.
Okay.
He's a very good
Weri.
footballer.
Mutor. Mutor.
Muganda, mwami Muganda.
Talabika Buganda.
Nesimi.
Wesimye. Lwaki?
Ni Muganda.
Erinnya lye ly'Ekiganda yani.
Bana kisigenda dyogera.
Olyerabidde nga bwe
Sirerabidde. No. Yamponi nze yangambye Hellen togende yo nontandika.
Panvu.
Yeah, don't talk about
Sekitoleko.
tugende ne annual. Annual Kaka.
So how did you meet him?
Wangambye ogenda bimbuza.
Bikuswaza.
No,
you're not proud. Eh?
No, I am so proud, but I have learned to let some things of my life stay with me. Neka nkugambyeko munnange. Nga bwe wansi.
Wo.
Bino bintu banenda byogera ku mbaga yange. Kati obinjogeza wano.
Embaga teyagwa.
Nenda mama kwali kwa
Katanga butanse.
Yes.
Tuweko hint.
How did we meet? I met Anwal.
Mwami Anwal.
I met nga omwagala wange Anwal. Mwami wange.
Oswati.
I met Anwal. Na meeting Anwal mu kibuga muno. Naliro mu ku studio. And I was getting out. I was getting out of a studio. And he's a boda. I was getting
a boda. Gwakawala akarungi.
Then
is
when.
Nene
kati wekigamba bwemba ndi late nga nzijewo.
Nange zidde ku
You want
boda. So it
she
is
wait.
okay.
Nali mfuluma studio nenda kulinnya boda kukuba nga nyimiridde. Nayimirira.
Kugamba he was starstruck.
He stopped. Namsa hi Hellen.
Naye yali ku bigere.
Yali mmotoka. Namba hi Hellen.
Street cheyo.
Kyanyumya
Abantu bamalaga
koto. Ano nali ekyentinde ekyo pana kikirira enaalya.
Ministers village eyo.
Awe watyo.
Kiwatule.
Nyambuza hi Hellen, how are you? Namba hi. Namba, do you remember me?
Ovuweya atwesibako
nyi. Nangamba nanzijukiza we actually met nali ku airport China. Ne mu meeting anambuzaako.
Mwali mumanyiganye.
Bwe yangamba.
Ye yakugamba eyo.
Namba twali airport nanzijukiza.
Annual yagamba twali ku airport.
Yes,
Annual yali akulimba.
Annual yatalimba nijikira. Yangamba we met. Yangamba remember twali ku airport namba oh yes Dohan at the airport and I sat omwami yali nange twali tulinze ennyonyi n'atuulawo kati nali simanyi toyije ziri.
Namwebuuza.
Nambuza how are you? Oh, where are you going? Ngenda kusuubula. Oh, this is nice. Yokusuubula. Because for him he thought I do only music and na. Ngamba one tunyumya. N'ennyonyi yange yajja earlier so I had to go. Ngamba oh, can I give me your number? Namwe number namwanja. Nakubya namwanja mnajichusa ku end. Nengenda. Kati kwe nali nyimide went where yayita. Tamba but you gave me the wrong number. Ngamba I changed it.
Teriko.
I changed it. I'm gonna najichusa munange. They stole my phone. So can I give you a lift?
So koleke.
Ngamwesize wano. Yes.
Okay.
Namba ya na dropping this time mwe namba ntufu. Kale nakuwa. Kubanga yawandika ngamba give me your number yampe namba namwe namba katakata najiteekamu najikubako. In my head as ate nani kutesina ni manyo agenda jikubako mwefu. Ne liko airport yinzo mugamba teriko because I'm traveling. Yange teriko. So ne mwe namba ntufu atandika.
Kati wano yali akutwala wakozi.
Ya dropping ewange katugwoza yantwala.
Yawali. Ali manya kutwala kula.
Ya dropping waka.
Okay.
Lunch ne tujiri olula.
Kati kuno nomwentufu. Nakuba. Can we go for dinner?
Yes. Actually, he didn't ask me for dinner, that guy.
Hello?
Wasanze ku studio. Yangamba, nati namugamba from studio. Kati yakulira kumbuza when are you going back to studio? That's what he asked. He asked me when are you going back to studio?
Kati yagala jja kuchima kutwala lujanja.
I'm going and okay, I can drop you, pick me.
Olinga ali kusaidi yange.
Uyonga zek studio. I think because we spent a lot of time studio abantu bamulabira mu ekifaananyi. He would take me to studio. He supported me. One thing I loved about him, he supported me from the word.
Kwegamba kwe kuwa lift ebintu kwe kutambula. Yasanga oli empty.
Support.
He found you empty in Kulanama's voice.
Ndeka.
Oba ina be yamega.
Simanyi nayenze byebyo nzijukira.
Okay, so things went serious. Before you know it, you're taking him to mommy.
Yes. Things went serious. He was a serious man. Amanchi Ayagala. He's a very humble man. He's a very polite man. He's a very handsome man. He's very kind. Yes.
I can see.
And he was supportive. Minus what I want to say about he genuinely yanjagaliza. For him, he sees the best in me.
Hellen, why you singing? Tugende kanze business erije wali ke China tujongere mu.
For him, he believes this is a talent. Okitegeera. It's a talent, it's a career. He believes I can make money out of this. He believes I'm doing good. He believes I'm blessed.
Okay. So before we know it, you're pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yeah, to get All right, let's take another break. It's about to come on. Thank you so much for keeping it NTV. Tuchagena masa Emboozi ya Hellen Lukoma tukomienga. Mr. Kaka has swept her off her feet. Embaga ya soko balubuto. Whatever.
Yeah. No, actually, we're organizing my kuchala. I would like to organize on kuchala is when I found out I was pregnant. Net okuchala kwali yo guno mwezi ngo kwanjula kwa in 2 weeks. Kwali no, guno mwezi after like 1 month. That's when I found out I was pregnant.
What are you gonna?
Yes.
Had you thought of that you wanted a personal life where you can start a family?
Yes, I've thought of a family. I've thought of having children of my own. to have my own legacy, to, you know, mama ffe yatuzaala, we were happy at home nga tuli abaana bangi, olina baganda bo, kati senga ffe mami teyatuzaala. So I love children. Okitegeera. So I wanted to have children.
No, osanga nabo tebandibaddewo, but anyway, yeah, I understand. So when you told him, what was his reaction when you said, darling, I missed my piece?
I did say that. I said I am pregnant. He looked at me. Then he gave me a hug. He looked at me like this, then he gave me a hug. My face but just looked at me so quiet. Look at me. Then he hugged me.
But he was a brave man. He said he was in a bad press.
I know. But he didn't mind it. He looks past that. He looks past that. Even when we talk about it, even when he sees it, he says, but you're not what people say. And it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay. So how was your pregnancy like? It treats us differently.
My pregnancy was the best thing that ever happened to me.
You're kidding me.
I'm telling you. My pregnancy was very hard. Like, very hard.
It was the best thing, yet it was hard.
It was the best thing, and it was very hard. Because when I got pregnant, like, it was Rejoice, home. Mommy,
you told mommy?
Oh, I called my dad. She's the first person
you called?
Actually, I called my
Did you, before telling Anwar?
Before telling Anwar, I told my mom and dad. I remember my dad
because already on the phone.
Yes. Government doing preparations, doing meetings.
Who is Anwar? Anwar, businessman, right?
Yes, he's a businessman. Kuruwacho bud.
Auntie, twagala kulaba kana kafe kali.
Nakubira daddy now. Ngamba yes, nkama mulungi, nkwira mami na kubendulu.
Hellen is growing now.
I am growing. Mama gasema no wana baby wange na waina mwana. So we were happy. Then netwanjula netukola okukyala netukola okwanjula 4 days. My kwanjula was a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday nali ku kitanda.
Lubuto nga lucyankalanye.
Thursday nali ku kitanda nga ngenda mu surgery.
For what now?
At 3 months of my pregnancy, I had nazuka buzuusi kumacha nga nina akantu akanfumita. Ekintu kyakinfumita naye nga omanyi nga stitch. Nenjireka, I went home to mommy's, neve wa sister wange. Nagenda wa mommy, neve wa mommy nengenda wa sister wange. Regular, my husband was picking me up. Bwe yakima ne mugamba Anwar akantu kanfumita. Akantu ne kanfumita. Ne ntandika okugenda okukaba. Akantu ne kanfumita. Ne kalekerawo. Ne tugenda ewaka. Ekiro akantu ne kanfumita ne nyimuka ku ssaawa 8 ne tugenda mu ddwaliro. Nga nfa akantu kanfumita. Nga sobola kufuka sina kye nsobola kukola. Ne tugenda mu ddwaliro. I called my doctor. Doctor tugenda mu ddwaliro ne bampa. I called my doctor. Nangamba nkubire doctor omulala, waliwo doctor yali omuto. Nagenda mu ddwaliro. Nagenda mu ddwaliro, bwe yatuuka mu ddwaliro ne bateekako drip, pain relievinga. Ne bankeberayo bati. Ne bankebera nga bagamba I have a cyst. You know a cyst? Naye sibimanyi. Most women get cysts. Naye zigenda zokka usually cysts. Cyst n'ennuma. Nerekeraawo ne bangamba nzireeka bwe nzirayo ewaka ate nenkira ku makya nga nfa. Nga ntambula bwezi.
Era ng'ekuluma. Efumita.
Enfumita nga siso atambula. I was 3 months pregnant. Nengenda mu ddwaliro ne tuddayo okumakya okwo ne bampa ekitanda.
Kozogambye kwanjula kwali kwedde?
Kwali kwedde Friday ku Lwokuna nali mu ddwaliro. Ne tugenda mu ddwaliro ne bampa ekitanda. Ne bangamba cyst kabagiteekemu eddagala balabe ate jjukira mu 3 months pregnant.
Cyst nze nali manyi kabeera kuli.
Kaba kati ne kagenda. I'm telling you, they checked ate ng'eyange ekula rapid. I think it was feeding off the hormones of the baby.
Was it a cyst or fibroid?
Bwe bankebera tebagamba it's a cyst. Neekula, it was so big that the doctor, I remember the doctor telling me, bali bamanyi it's a cyst, it has never been operated. Omanyi bwe bulungi bakuleka n'olubuto n'okuzaala. Naye yange yali ekuze, it was 10 centimeters. Ne nyingira ne tugenda Doctor, I remember my doctor is such a good doctor, my God. Just in case you have problems, he's called Mr. Chinene. Wow. Kampala Hospital. He just told me, Helen, we don't know what is there. We don't know what we are looking at. We don't know where it is located. But I think we are wasting time and money to get an operation. But of course...
The pain is just too much.
It was too much. And everyone says, omwana emyezi esatu tebamukwatako. Literally. Gwali abeko mutukazi gwe operating ku 2 months, 3.
Chokanga bakwata kusaidia lubuto.
Yeah, lubuto. So I know nitusaba
I can imagine with all the excitement of your pregnancy.
I know, with all the excitement of my wedding. Nitugenda, Dr. Nantwala, never operating.
Teyakugamba nti the baby will may lose the pregnancy.
I'm telling you, it was the hardest. In that batula, before you sign those papers, twatula, mami wali, my family, everyone, Ibangamba, they don't know if it's the uterus with a problem, if they have to come out with it. I remember the most painful thing, Dr. Yagamba, twins okuvayo nabanayo. You see? He said, but it's all good. It is hard. It's hard to because I was in fear. But after the whole process, there are so many women who go through this stuff. Akazi banji banoonya abaana ne batabafuna. Akazi banji baba n'ebizimba ne batya. You know, sometimes to feeling it's bw'ogamba nti olina ekizimba abantu bagamba wajjamu embuto. Wajjamu basibe bajjamu embuto. Oyo baamuloga abakazi banji nnyo babikweka. So twayingira munda ne operating. The doctor was so good. The worst part is I had to, you know, they do C-section. So ne operating bangamba nali simanyi n'abaana begenda vayo bagenda kusala biki. It was hard. Mukama njagala ne bakwatayo ne bajjayo fibroid. It was a fibroid that they didn't see. It was big. Ne bajjayo ne doctor angamba sikutte ku mwana wo. Nanzigala bulungi obulumi ne bugenda kati nga tusabusabye mwana wange akule. But they kept on telling me anything can happen. You see any blood, just be cautious. Bulishimu chikwase katonda. Anything can happen. Chunji nabana tujikuteko, you can have another baby. You know, anything can happen. Nange katonda oni atalaza amanya. Mwana wange nakula bulungi. I wanted to push because they told me you can have a chance to push. Then exercises. After a while, I was around 6 months. I think that's why I went and go kundaba, because I almost hit depression because of the fear of losing my child and my nabana. My sisters my sister Rachel and Jackie would wake me up to gende fuluma, to gende oyo kole kumviri, to gende uchitegena, and my husband was so supportive. Yemo kama afono mulungi, wanange nakula bulungi. He was actually 4 kilos, ready to get out.
You didn't push, right?
I didn't
Pushing
push. I didn't.
4 kilograms.
I think wetwada mdwairo omwana kwangu mwana gaisa na kenaku yenga akuze bulungi. Like with all the odds ezali want your mwana agenda kola chomwana nge yakula bulungi. Nentuka mu ddwaliro, I remember natuuka nayisenda ku due dates. Doctor angamba, you know what, your child is healthy, your child is breathing, omutima gukuba bulungi, buli kimu akuze bulungi n'obwala bukuze.
Tuyinza n'omujja mu kati.
Nangamba, yes, nga siwulira bisa. Nangamba, my Helen, tetugezesa Katonda. You already had a C-section operation.
Let's have it.
Let's not try to induce ate tulinde olubuto, you know, because jukira bansala olubuto lwakula healing ate jolo mukazi wa C-section bamugamba alinde.
Exactly.
Neze bansala olubuto
bya Katonda. I can imagine.
Only God.
Fresh see?
Only God. Fresh.
Ne olubuto nga luzimba
nga lwana wakula nterwa yabika bulungi ne wa healinga bulungi omwana wange nakula bulungi olubuto nga lulye. Nenzala bulungi nangamba tugende tujjemu omwana. I know you want to push. I did want to push. But sometimes on my channel, sometimes I'm bakusala oli munafu temwagala. But sometimes the chance is taken away from us. Nanywa buli kimu. Mommy. She took care of me, everything. That's why sometimes I feel like I want to personally enforce myself as ambassador for women who have fibroids, women who have C-section. Abakazi batyo omukazi nomugamba C-section anasindika because they talk about it like chibi. But would you rather die than save your child? Mwambi mwiza okufa anti ofa okusindika ate abagambe you cannot push. My child was 4 kilos, there was no way I was going to push. But I've met so many women mudwaliro nga batya we wagambye abantu nti oli kwa C-section nga batya. But it saved my life, and I have my child.
It's another normal way
and
of
I have
giving,
another
delivering.
chance to give birth again. Nabana yange we yatika. Many women die because of that. So I constantly keep encouraging. In a platform yange, I go to hospitals, this is Abachang, and I talk to them. I tell them this is a chance. You're giving another chance by God. Oli bulungi, women with fibroids, abantu batya nti obachi bane fibroids. Tetumanyi kizireta. Tetumanyi na ddagala fibroids. Okimanyi ekyo? Usual operation. Newe zibo bulungi bazirekamu. Because ate bazikwatako zi affecting okuzaala ko kimanyi bakazi bangi bakwata fibroids ne bazisala ze zireeta ekizibu ky'obutazaala. But having a fibroid is as normal that n'abaana baffe olumu tebakiraba alya naye omwana wa 14 asobola ofuna fibroids ku hormones teziba nti ajjemu embuto amize pills. That is not it. With education, with reading ahead about it, that is not it. Sijja abaana batoto baba 14 nze nagenda mu madwaliro ago. I did research because in my head I was disturbed. I didn't see it coming. I am healthy. I'm so healthy. Abaana ba 14 bebaana bagamba daddy obuto nnuma nnyo, periods nnuma nnyo, bleeding nnyo, omutakiwa amaanyi omwana nga afuna fibroid. Because they come
when you take long to conceive.
Yes.
Uterus yebe yagala
what
it is meant to hold.
But girls who are 20 have fibroids. Young kids have fibroids. Bamujjamu obuzimba. Nebambutono bwe buti. I read a documentary of a child, mwana muwala, yalina obuzimba buno obutono nga babukokotamu naye nga bleeding emyezi egi. So ye yalwawo okuzaala why bati bamutonda.
Okay, so your baby comes.
My baby, at some point, sister Angela made a miracle. I have a sister used to call, like literally every day we used to sit and pray. We used to wait. Then good doctors call. We sang a doctor Angela available, seated. My baby came, and my baby is called Heaven. He's called Heaven. I remember, bali banfulumya olunaku olwo abanga bengenda mu operating. Nafukamira ntunula bweru. Namba Mama Maria, give me a chance to be a mother. We have one God, right? Dear heavens, save my child. Heavens, please save my child.
And the baby was saved.
So I call my child Heaven. Tal means heaven's rain. Because olunaku lwenkuba yali etonya. Ngamba rain. Kwa omuntu ti enkuba tugamba it's bad. Rain is a blessing. I said rain, and I looked up to the heavens. I called my son Tal, which is heaven's rain. Ata means a gift from God. So Tal Ata heaven is heaven and is a gift from God and is rain from heaven.
Wow.
That's why I gave my child those names.
Okay.
Because he's a miracle and I love him with all my heart and everything that I am.
So, bobali bakulongosa bakusirisa wenna, or you got a chance to see the baby immediately it came out?
My first operation, eyokujjamu cooperating bansirisa half, because the doctor, that's why I say it's so good, he said you cannot sleep because we don't want the baby to sleep. Let the baby stay. But the last operation, I think natya nnyo. Because nali ninze okusindika ninze ebisa, ne doctor byangamba tugende. Nentandika okutya. The whole process, and then I was in hospital alone, so I had to call everyone.
Why were you alone?
As my sister, because try to do the check up. No more check up, tulindo olunaku. So they said, let's do it now.
Let's not tempt God.
They said that. So I was alone, so they called my mom, they called my dad, if they called literally everyone, so I freaked out.
Where was Mr. Anwar?
Mr. A was at work. Because it was a normal, we go normal things and come back. I freaked out that I think they let me sleep fully. Yeah.
So what Dangulo later? Where is my baby?
No, I didn't. I remember I woke up, Nazukuka, and Mr. A was right there in front of me. And what was in front of me was smiling, he had flowers. And my sister was seated by my bedside. My sister Rachel, oh my God, you need to meet this woman. Oh, this woman is
I see on your Instagram.
Yes. She was seated right there and Jackie was right there. Rachel was smiling like this. She had a phone camera. God. She's like, wake up, the baby's here. I turned. I was so scared. I remember saying, no, I don't want to see him.
Why?
I don't know.
You didn't know what to expect.
I didn't know. I was so excited.
When you mama abera ko ufana you the child they
na
want.
bukuba basoka nayo. That nenchuka stangi ya kaleta. See your baby, see. I remember seeing like a nose like this. Kafana, wake up. I started crying. I don't even know why I was crying. I was like, God told you as a man. You're like, abachala bani banonya abana. Abachala, I don't know. I think I'm going to be an ambassador. I want to do this. Ekintu kyendo bira is to encourage women and to be there for women who tebaina bwogereza. Bakazi bangi babera nasirika nga tasula bulungi talya ayagala mwana. Afiiriddwa omwana. Ayina ebizimba. So to me it was like this is another era. Mvudde wendi Katonda atadde ewalala. And I want to encourage those women and tell them it's a good feeling and it's possible.
And with everything that you went through, you still went ahead with work because you were doing music.
Yes.
You even shot that video, Muriske wakati.
Yes.
Ne wali wakazala no fulumi oluyemba. I remember seeing that video on Instagram.
I just said, my child, I want my son to be proud of me. Njagala omwana wange mukolerere oba ndekewo kye naaliseewo oba muzimbire kino agamba mama agenda kye yakola byonna bibanjogeddeko byonna byenkoze alisi nkoleyo ekirungi ekya mwana wange akole mubulire story namuzaala naye nga nina kyemukoleredde kubanga twakula tetuli nti bazaadi baffe tebaga tukolera naye bakola kyebasobola naye senga baali basobola bantukoledde naffe ntubanga tukuze ninawo akazimbe wali ninawo kiri tatange nanyini wakino ebagezaako webakoma kati zalina kukolerera omwana wange mukolerere zimbire atandikira kyensinga okwagala. That's why I woke up and said, mama ngamba genda okole ofune kyofunye omwana omukolerere.
Okay, that was sad.
Watireko ne mwami wange.
Sad experience. Totya okuddamu.
Ntya nnyo naye njagala.
But you'll get over it. Still soon.
I still would love to have enough children if I have the chance.
Enough children is what? What number?
Bensobola mami yatuzaala. Whatever number I can. Yangambira wayirekerawo. Because I have the means.
But
I have the chance.
Congrats on your little baby.
Thank you.
Yes. What did you know? I want a girl. I want a boy.
In the beginning, of course, nalinjagala ngamba chakala nkambaze nkamfanana. But when I took a more process, I kept on saying, Kona Katonda kompa. Mpabwe. Kona kompa sijja kulondera. Mpabwe. Yes.
Okay. Nogamba nja kuzimbira era n'omuzimbira.
Yes.
Congrats on your big mansion.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And that was hard work.
It is. It is.
Project of how many years? How many months?
Building. We started in 2000.
Tuli mu 19 again kugwa.
2018.
Hellen. Okay. 19 again kugwako.
2019 is when we started. 18. We started in 2018.
Because you came mu bulamu bwa Mr. A, you came with blessings.
Amen.
And he came with blessings.
Amen.
Blessings ezenjawulo nezikwatagana.
Yes.
And things are moving for you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so no guy, with everything they've said about me, biki bye bakwogera kikyasinga okuluma?
Ekyasinga okunnuma nali ekintu ekisinza okunnuma mu life yange bino bagamba nti oyambadde bubi okunamye munywa omwenge muli batamiivu tebinnuma because they have their own opinion. Ekintu ekyasinga okunnuma, I was due 2 weeks nga doctor yampadde 2 weeks ziri mu ddwaliro. Waliwo akantu akayita ku internet oba wakalabako nga kagamba Hellen yavuddemu olubuto omwana yafudde.
No.
Lwaki baakola party?
Chichi waliyo sex reveal.
Lwaki baakola?
Gender reveal.
But it moved like that. Mwantugambeko ne tubakaabirako. I was 2 weeks pregnant in the house.
You were
I was 2 weeks due
to give birth.
To give birth. Yes. Ne kayita. Antu basukali bankubira amasimba kwano bambuzaako. Those who know me bankubira, hello, how are you? Hellen, how are you? Ngazama I'm fine. Nanga maliro atunga bankubidde nnyo. paka obani yapereza nga balaba bana abasiru
nakweza ki screenshot
napereza ne puli omutima nga gutudde tekanumanya ate kaluma mami okufa obufi
wayangwa mangu mugamba mami bagambye bwe bati
kati banne naye banne bakwano ba mami bajja ewaka
omuntu asobola okwogera ekintu nawe I'm sure you started looking.
Am
I bleeding?
I was like, nga sinaba kufuna bisa mpiseeko ennaku omuntu n'ateekawo. I was in so much pain that nagamba ensingi koze eki. It cannot be this bad.
Tewali toyina kyokoze. People babeera banoonya watu.
Sinza asookuba omubi asembyeyo. Ne bawandika nti omwana wavuddemu.
It's okay.
It felt so bad because nali mu lutalo omuntu tamanyi abakazaala mu ntalo ze tutamanyi kanuma nnyo nnyo
ate engeri gye wali ofunye the other experience
lwakyakukoze biki yafiiriddwa omwana wabula yakateekayo mukama akulaba katambula nnyo ku WhatsApp ne ku Facebook ene nafiiriddwa ne Rita Kagwoba yakateekayo naye yakateekayo. Actually omuntu yankubira surprising yali bad black. She called me nagamba nze bad black ngamba zine Emboozi wandiise wano Hellen tell me you're fine nagamba black ndi bulungi ndi lubuto. Of course nadda ku internet abawalabula but I'm so happy she cared and she said one you cannot lose your baby Hellen I'm also pregnant in Chimanyi. She called me as a mother naye kyannuma nnyo yali bicannuma nnyo.
It's okay.
No.
It's okay. Kasita baby wamala n'omuzaala.
Yes.
Wow. Ndowooza tugere natuwummulemu. Let's take a break. All right, let's take a break. Mulekera bakuwandiika ebintu ebimu. They are very insensitive. She's now calm and happy. She's telling me her happy moments with her baby after that. But as a mother, how are you?
I'm doing good. It's a very beautiful experience. It's beautiful. Yes.
Njukira wena kugamba Hellen we want to host you. Mumbulira mankubango bimanyi baby. Nino kumutwala omuge molinga mugemesa buli kumacha.
Nino muge.
Omanyi baby. Kati omuleke dani.
A baby ali banange. Ali abimbuziza. My baby is home.
You have a nanny?
I have a nurse, yes, and my sisters and my mother.
Okay.
Yes.
You have a nurse. Febe tuita nani? Baby asiba mikono gya nurse.
Anti kati omukyalo oyo aba amanyi bwalwadde amanyi
ngamba professional nurse oli yagala nasoma obunansi.
Yes, na yamulabira.
Ali yafuna omulimu ewaka.
Yes.
Ewa mukyala Hellen.
Mrs. Anwar.
Mrs. Anwar. Inga tulumbiddwa Mukama Katonda wange. Sokoleka kati okay ali ni mikono gya nurse.
Yes.
Then wabawo ne helper ayamba okoze engoye. Ono just abera kulaba kupima temperature all the time.
Kukula nange kulabirira mwana kabo kyogedde kyobuuzizza kyekyo.
Wewa. Kati gwe bwobaawo gwokola kikuyonsa.
Bwemba onange katate bwembeerawo kimana easy yambeera nnyo nsamba n'omwana wange ye keta nange. Ye nakola ebyokoza ebinya. Kenda kumuswita. Nene jajja wali. My mom is there to help me, my sister.
Ate kati nyumba nene, everybody can come.
Yes, and so batwali wa jajja, so batwali wa sister ange Rachel.
Kati baby jaragane nasa agenderako.
Yes.
Then ne omukoza ayoze engoye z'omwana. Akyusa ne
Waliwo asigale waka, yes.
Okay. That is good. You're living your life, right? Your dream life.
Amen.
Yeah. Good for you. So komwire ku gender reveal party.
Gender
Try
reveal.
to be like a movie.
Yes.
Ku internet.
My gender reveal party. My husband surprised me. With my sisters, of course. My sisters, Jackie and Rachel, are on point. So they surprised me. They did something good. I remember my husband, Yangamba, he told me a week before, Nangamba tingenda kutwalako out. Nenjagala fanne bulungi. Nze tonswaza, you know, like those jokes. Nangamba, okay, runako ne nkera kumacha. My sister took me, she drove me. Tugenda ne bandikawo ne driver. Then, yeah, nenekolako bulungi nenyirira.
Gomanya ogenda ku dinner.
Yeah, ku dinner. We always have dinner, nice dinners. nengenda naye olunaku lwe namusanga mu suuti
Nkwano lero olaga wangu.
Smart.
I'm treating this dinner seriously.
Until it was like that, it was so serious. You have to be smart. All I remember is that opening the room, it was so beautiful. Everything was so beautiful. It was on point.
At him saying were in a stress.
Yes,
he was trying to calm you down?
Yes, I believe he was, because I was going through a lot. I was seeing doctor every time. I was going through a lot. Because the chance for me to push was taken away. And you know that experience. Everyone wants it. It was taken away and I was feeling so bad about it. And Yakola in his powers to make me happy, to show me he's there for me and we can do this.
Okay. Yakola nekakongera obuvumu I'm gonna make this.
Yes. That's when I knew, because Nalisi my sexier baby. Nalisi was, I didn't want to know about the sex of my baby in the beginning because there were a lot of possibilities. The doctors want to know, but this can happen, this will happen, this. So I didn't want to know my baby's sex at some point. I just wanted mwanange mulinde.
Don't tell me that.
My sisters knew. My sisters knew, also him he didn't know. So
who told your sisters?
Doctor.
Why?
Nanti, sometimes they tell someone. Yeah, why? No, I want to do something for Helen, tell me the sex. So for them, they knew the sex. So nitukola akapate, and they were revealing it's a boy. Because I wanted to encourage me, mukama kyayogedde kibaawo. What is to happen will happen, and what is not to happen will not happen. So they believed you're going to have your child bulungi. Okay. So nitukola party, it was very nice. I danced the whole way. And you mirror. Yes.
Mukama mulungi, Jolly. Ndabye Ronnie, he's my friend, Molendwa.
Oh.
When you, obsessions, he reacted when you said this, never said beautiful girls never had to study. I should not be slandered. She can't change this, I insist. Why would I pay school fees for them, and in this case, her from senior 1 to senior 6 at a private expensive school like Aga Khan, if I thought studying for beautiful girls was wrong? These are wrong and unfounded statements. Luachi, or why it is a Ronnie Wange?
Wagambi. Well, it's his word against mine.
But he was paying for your school fees.
Yes, he did. Sichiganya saswa school fees zange, ni mama ange nga sasu. Sichiganya, he did pay my school fees.
But the statement, did he ever make it?
Yes, he
did. Your beauty is an investment.
He did. Oba yachogera mbunyivu, but omanya ate abaana ate tetwerabira. By then nali muntu ate kati bwenkulu ate ne memory nebeera stronger. Beautiful girls don't need to go to school. So he said.
Oba wamukwata out of context, he meant something.
Maybe namukwata bina nti yache bagamba omwana omutoto omugamba kintu kuba stickinga ku mutwe oba kyatwala oba kyekimunyiza oba kyekimwonoona. Oba yakyogera out of context, yakyogera.
Do you appreciate him nti yakugulirawo ekkubo lya?
Oh, so much. Ronnie yandaga bingi nnyo. Yandaga bingi nnyo ebirungi ate era yanyonoonera bingi nnyo.
Yeah?
Yandaga bingi nnyo ebirungi.
Yakwonoonera.
But, as we're saying, he said what he said. And I've said what he said. Yes. But mwebaza nnyo. Yanjigiriza. Yantwalira yandaga ekkubo, yansomesa, nansomesa era nantuusa we natuuka. But I appreciate him. I do appreciate him.
Was Obsessions paying school fees for everybody else in the group? Abali bagala okusoma.
Obsession paid for my school fees. Simanyi balabe basasulira naye nze bansasulirangako ekitundu ne mama wange n'ayongerezaako.
Because your parents insisted the only way you can go?
Yes.
Is because you have to be in school?
Yes, because I have to be in school. And of course abiteeka mbazadde bange. If you look at it, as we went on and on, my parents had problems. If you'd ask Ronnie, since abadde aweereza ka message, you would ask him if they did have problems and what were the problems. Why did I have to leave to study? Why? If you get what I mean. Oli Ronnie mwami mukulu kunza ate Ronnie yandaga ekkubo. Ronnie yansomesa. Ronnie yankuza n'ambuulira ekituufu n'ekikyamu. And I appreciate. Omwekitiibwa kye. So sobola kudda gamba this ate tuyite mami ate tuyite kino sijja kikola. But as I said, era bwe nakula nange nasengejjanga nti wankolera kino n'ekino tewakinkolera. Kino kyanyiza, kino kyakola bwekiti. But that was my context, how I took it. That's why I studied a lot. Nensoma nnyo to beat that. That's why I am where I am, to improve who I am every day. Yes.
Okay. Are you still friends?
With who?
With most of the girls and the boys more group.
Abamu mbalaba, I see Cleo, I see Macreen, I see Sheila.
Sibuzobo balaba nange mbalaba. Are you friends?
Are we friends? We are friends with those that I see, but abalala, I think distance sometime. And
but I think you're close to Jackie.
Who?
Jackie.
No.
Hey.
But in Balaba.
Okay. Mwina kumufanagana mukone Jackie. I think because you're all same size. You're not friends. The way you're looking at me.
No. We don't. All I know, it was one of the best experiences. Banjigiriza omukazi ayogera bw'ati, omukazi atula bw'ati. Naye ate era tekigaana kumanya mbu nze ng'omuzadde bwe ndizaala omwana omuwala nga nina omutwala mu group jagendanga mukeberengako buli kanako, because abaana abato baba baana bato, ate bw'omala okuzaala omwana omuto aba mwana muto. Gy'omutwalira direction gy'agenda osobola omwonoona ate osobolerwa okumudirecting ewatuufu.
So kyogezako gamba gye mwabeeranga mu kiyumba kyammwe, mu nnyumba yammwe, too much was happening?
A lot happened, but good things. Si bwe ngamba a lot saga kiteekawo nti bibi. A lot happened, good things, but also bad things happened that they can misdirect a child. Okitegeera? Simbubi nayiga ebirungi, I would go back, but I would be wiser. Because kati nkuze nali mwana muto. 13. I was just that tebalaganga myaka twakuzanga enviiri. But we were young. Yes.
Ate mwe nanga muli bato.
Yes, we were so grounded. Sibine ebyennako ofuna dansa n'agenda.
Tewali ali mukuluko okusinga kumwe nnyo nti yagenda okubanga guiding. Buli omu kyalowooza kyakola.
Twageza nkwebuliranga naye ebintu ebimanyi ebyabawala emba abangi. Olumu ono tayagala ono atakkiriza n'ono. Twageza
nkwebuliranga. Too much coupling.
Yeah.
Yes. Naye twawulirako mulenzi gwali yagala twamanya muli no.
Mwabiwulira. Naye kati omwana omuto bw'okula, as I said, ebyabeerawo. But omwana omuto abeera mwana muto. And with the guidance of my parents and my family, kyankwatirira nnyo. And we were so grounded. Nga kugamba totambula. Toyogera n'oli. Twambala bw'oti nga tetwambala bw'oti. But now it's different. Wanaani gw'ogamba ebyo n'awulira.
So yes. Acting, you're taking your acting roles so seriously.
Yes.
Kati your direction jakote.
Yes.
Are we seeing you in movies?
I'm praying. I cannot wait to have an audition. I cannot wait omuntu okumpita nti jangu movie. I cannot wait. Era kyenkolerera era nduubirira to be better and better. But I'm also still doing my music. I'm recording my music. I'm doing my videos. And I'm also still a mother.
Yeah.
I'm breastfeeding.
How often do you breastfeed? Are you doing it exclusively?
Yes, I pump, I leave, yeah. I do.
Okay, what is the best moment with your son? He's 2 now, right?
No, he's 2 what?
Months.
Hey, but my 2 years.
What you got?
He's 3 months.
Oh, 3 months.
My son is 3 months.
Kati eno pate yasembyeyo mwademu tulaga ku mwana oba mwabadde mu housewarming?
We were actually doing the...
Oba sente zibayitira konti bujande mgaka lero katubaweyo kapate.
Pate after pate. No. Twali tukola baby's hakika. It's like a dedication.
Oh yeah.
So baby's hakika. Then we also housewarmed so that muja nemulaba nemugenda mutuvira afe. Tukuze mwana waffe. Yeah. It was hakika. It was baby's hakika and our housewarming.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Hakika. Omwana awamulenzi bamuzaire embuzi 2.
Okay. Twasala nnyo.
Balongo. Everything you do in abundance.
Kasatonda kuwa obulamu. Nanange life is kasaba kuwa obulamu, anything and everything is possible.
What's your best moment with him?
My best moment with my son is first of all, nanange being a mother tebaweerako memo. So, bw'omala okuzaala omwana teyeebaka.
Bwoka.
Obwoka. like tebaka every after 3 hours azuuka kunywa nazuuka kati ayinza ozuuka saa 7 ne mutuna paka 12 ng'atunula bw'ati.
Ate gwe lwaki otunulanga waliwo nnaasi?
Lwaki ate katoga nebaka ndabirira omwana wange wemba wendi nga yati sikikola ndi
mukyala kasa oleeta nnaasi.
Oli ankwasizaga bakyogera bati
ankwasizaako. Okay.
Okitegeera
Abazungu
so bwazuuka nga tuzuuka tutuula.
Osula naye mu bedroom?
Ani baby? Yes, right now nkyasula naye. As we clear the
Balebera
room.
kungamba baby alina room ye ffe tumulabira ku monitor. Bagenda kukuba omuggo. Yani
naye era alina room ye tujja muteekayo nga akuzeemuko. I think asobola okuwuyita.
So bwoka bwakutawanya nnyo?
Bananga obwoka butiisa akabooka aba teyebaka nazuukuka ebyo tebabitugamba tebakyali kwebaka until is grown. But the best moment with my son is mu bino byonna ekiro ntunudde nyimuse nkoze eki muleete kireeta kiri nkoze eki. The best moment is for him kusaa 12 aba atunula naye ekisinga okumusanyusa so akyuka nekyusa bamukwateko Heaven tal n'akyuka wati nampa smile ng'azuukukirawo like I'm like
n'owirange ebisa bikusimbye.
ng'azuukukirawo I just sit and I'm like okay tuzuukuke naye atandikirawo okuzannya nga bwe basoba tebebasemi I'm up.
So kuba lwewazaala your day is heaven?
Yes.
Tokyalina na projects z'okola right now?
Nkola I wake up, do what I have to do. I schedule my time. Like now I have to be here. I have to go back to my son. Then nkola ebirala ebinaddako. I make sure I am with him.
Okay.
On a schedule.
Bw'oba ogenda ku shooting, for example, do you take him along?
When I'm going to shoot, no, but it's not mutambuza kuba nkyali muto. I take him to Jaja because wabera ne mami, that is you get.
Obera
sure. I'm better sure ali nange. Or my sister helps me. My sisters are handy. I've been in good hands. So I pump, I breastfeed him, and I go see him. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm very good.
Okay. Who is Ogambe? You want to take part in a big movie? Who do you want to act with? Who is your favorite?
Uganda, baby.
Byombi.
I would love, dear God, please answer my prayer. I would love to act with Will Smith.
Ng'okola ngani with Will?
Semanyi kyonna kye bampa oba Maidi oba Mulalu oba Mubbi, I will do what I have to do. It is my role, it's my job.
No Mubbi.
Bebamanyi bampe. Kasaba bansasula to.
Will Smith, why him? He was your dream man.
First of all, true, but first of all, he's a family man. Do you know what man is a family man?
Yes.
Abana he's a hardworking man. His wife is hardworking. His movies are acting and no kids aren't acting. He puts himself in that role. I admire him.
You love family men?
Of course.
Okay. Yeah, true. That's a blonde question.
It says.
Yeah. Who else? No woman you want to work with?
Simanyi Dedela. Look, maybe Lupita, just to show her that I can do better. So anyway, I'm just saying, she has a chance. She's representing East Africa, man. She's doing big.
You don't love Gabrielle Union?
I do. No, you don't. I'm just not good. I'm sorry, Gabrielle. I love. Bananga, do you know Gabrielle? Na somane in a story yali.
Oh, she.
Anonyo omwana nambula. Not because I know she's with but because we are tondebwa.
Yeah,
you know her inside.
Her cervix was loose.
Yes,
I also watched her story with Oprah.
You see, but you
so
know,
I follow that she did with a lot of passion.
I know with that, but no singer chalu na Uganda bandu bali bamogerera bubi. Don't ever bamogerera, but people would say, you know, bamanyi bogera yakola kino yakola teyazala mangu, but she has tried all her life and I didn't know kubanga naye namulanga muna mukyalo ngatazala, so mambi yagezangako. I was so happy for her
until she got a surrogate.
Yes.
Okay.
Surrogates should come in Uganda also. No?
They are here.
They are?
Yeah, somebody told me they are.
Banang.
And I was looking for one.
And to talk
to talk to, not to carry for me.
With our system, olumu echera binanti it is possible. Pakujja mweji no mwami wange still netuzala omwana affe. Ne wano onokozaida lwaki tozala abakulanga.
Moino olugezigezi lw'abazungu.
Natumina sente, which is wrong. Because still ekuwa omwana gw'obadde oyagala. You want
with your DNA.
Amukuzaira n'amukuwa omwana we. Oli abakusuulidde busitudizi mu ssaaka. Anyway.
So which of the movies, series, any dramas, zozanye, that is your favorite?
I don't have a favorite, but I've acted nakola movie. Sina favorite. Zonna, the different characters, and I am blessed to kubera. Wanga chintwala mile again, another mile from where Wimbade. I'm right now doing Honorables. I've done a movie called, you've watched Mpeke Town, it's a series.
Mpeke? No, I've not watched it. I haven't heard about it. I am mad.
What?
I'm mad like that.
Yeah.
In Mpeke Town.
Then what
It sounds sweet.
In Mpeke Town, it's about farmers. It's motivating people to work. I'm actually in mukazi wa katale.
Eriku TV.
Eriku TV.
Okay. Anti temwajita ku TV ya entuufu. And that's why I think I missed it.
But director nja kubaweereza message yo baganda. Waliwo movie bagita Situka yetwakola ne Bobby Wine. I've done lots of movies. I've done lots since Nengalunda zili mu pipeline ezija. Yes.
Somebody here said, Helen, you've challenged your friends.
Thank you.
I think your obsessions colleagues. You're doing well, or Shibati is doing well.
Yes.
Everybody's doing well in their own way.
Capacity.
But there is a way you have come out so fast. There's a way you
There's one thing Mama Nchangamba. Good things happen to good people. Baba omuntu mulamu omukozi nwesiga Katonda tetugaye bibite bijja kujja of course ojja kujja challenges but good things happen to good people. You not expect okuyisa obubi abaana b'abanno n'obagiraagira n'olowooza nti ebinungi binajja your side. So it's hard work and commitment and kwesiga Mukama kinyinza okugamba.
Okay. What's your dream?
My dream?
In whatever.
I'm in my dream. Let me draw another one. That's my dream. I cannot wait to be bigger than I am.
Okay. Ask Pat. Okay.
I cannot wait to be bigger than I am. I cannot wait to inspire so many women. I cannot wait okuyamba abaana. Nze ndaba nakuzina ndabana kukubo ababatunda ebintu omutima ne gunnuma. Njagala basitula. I'm like, God, I cannot wait nsobola okuyamba abantu simanyi oba naayita mu NGO kyoba naakola ekintu kyange okuyamba abakyala bangi. I cannot wait.
Kati watuuka, you just tell Mwami, we want a home for other kids, not this one.
Tubadde tukyakola ya Heaven. Why?
Anti ya Heaven twagimaze.
Endala ye.
Ate endala yaki?
No yaffe.
Nati nebino bye mwina bibye.
Still. I cannot wait.
Anti he already has much. Anyway, you just say and things happen. Anyway, somebody's asking, Friday, ask Helen whether they did Nika. Nika ojimani? Mwajikola?
Nika, yes.
Nika?
Yeah.
So, you're officially married?
Muslim way, yes.
Yes.
Nenga no kwamba ichete white.
Wachambala ngo yambade ne wano ku.
Eri yali changing
dress. Ne kwakika wayambade white.
No kwamba chiri chimasa sabwe chiti.
Nga kiriko katiara kali.
Ekiwogana.
Nga kiriko amataala nga ekyarembe kyajjo. Walabe ekyamataala.
Nagala bya amataala kati.
Kyoyagala.
Kanoonye yo bakiki kati.
Ekyo kijja kuba mu siren.
Nga bujja buwogana.
Who was asking here, Helen, I loved you from way back now, but the way you love your son, girl, I love that. Thanks for the show. Would you please ask her to talk about Get a Kid situation? Get a Kid situation. That is the house?
Yes, I've seen that situation. What was it like?
You know?
Which situation exactly?
A nyumba. Well, that is what you meant.
I think
ndowooza
nyumba baji batwalako.
Tebannamalayo banja. Kati ndowooza gambe
Mr. Bagulangule. Omubwene. Bwene yange mwela birindako. Basasulako bali bagigula ne batagimala.
Basasula. Nga balina babawadde period we balina okugimalirayo naye ndowooza period eri kugwayo nga sente tezinaba kuwera.
Tezina kutuuka.
180. 102 million. Obaze zibulayo ba 180.
Bagigula meka?
Bibiri. Kati basasudde mpola. Tetukirwako nnyo kwamanyi togenda bayamba.
Njagezaako. Era kibuuzaako tusonda. Basonde naye. Gwe naye nninto nyinyonyola baatuuka atya ku miliyoni 10.
Ati bazze basasulako ne balemererwa ng'abantu kubanga time eggwayo apparently December this year. They should be done.
They should, but
bakoleshi bakubireko ogundi oli yani mogeji
jaja
nedda oli teka mu movie mu film ye
Montana kimendo kubuuza
tukubire Montana
tujja funa engeri gye tukikwasa
kale tubasabire no basabira ndowooza waliwo wanabuuza how old are you oyagala ki
mondeke
akwagaza ki
I'm in the right age at the right time
okitegeera nange bwe mbadde ndowooza
right age at the right time.
Hellen, your confidence levels are up to the sky, hanging there.
Thank you.
Where do you get all this confidence from?
My mother.
She's very confident.
She'd yankuza.
Anyway, what your politician atali confident? Ajaddi ku bwagundi.
To what?
Our MP.
Abetegekera ajja. Simanyi wabula.
She's coming together.
No, I don't know. But
she's comfortable where she is. Okay. Aliko Sim, say something to Hellen. Hello? And be nice.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Hello. Wanji.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Wewe nokuweereza mukwano.
Tugezaako.
Banenge palido nyomera nnyo mukwano.
Ale tunyumirwe Hellen. But thanks. Okay. Yes, teacher cha David.
Annange gye ndi ogamba oti.
Manange nzo nsanyusa.
Webale kusiima.
Mbwe ensonyi zikutte. Wobera ku stage, is that you? Who is Hellen? Embeera ze zaddala kozo tubuzaabuza aliwo obeera nga ka comedian. Waliwo skits bwe wali otandise okukola ndowooza wali oli awo nga you're not sure what you want to be. Yeah. I think that was 2017 or early to 18.
Early to 18.
Wali osobeddwa?
No, I've
no, it
was a situation. Waliwo situation oba nalaba kinga banoonya. Balinda bawaliwo akantu akajja nga banoonya nga baba nantunde ntya nga noonya. Then we filmed it and then my friend posted it. Then I don't know. Now because it's just out of the blue. Me, I'm not so different in the sense that almost script yinza okujja oli mukazi mulalu, oli mukazi muyombi, oli mukazi mukakamu. So what the script says kyenkola. Nenze in life, me the real me Hellen, ndi muntu musanyufu.
Are you close to omwala gwe twalaba mu hostel?
Simanyi.
Because bakuyitanga mu hostel.
Patra. Simanyi because as I said, ndi muntu musanyufu naye atera bwe
kubanga wagizanya bulungi nnyo kawala kano
simanyi wabula. But all I know, I don't know, I'm a happy person. And when I'm mad, you see I am mad. When I am sad, I will show. When I will show I'm an open book.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, wow. Omulala ali kusimbuza ku Hellen. Hello. Kale sebuzuukuka mukwano ng'oli solo. Hello. Bakujeko because tobadde very serious. Serious. Hello.
Hello.
Hellen alika ino olugambo. Hello. Yes, Nyange, how are you? Wanji? Nkali mukwano webale kusiima. Naffe tubaagala nnyo. But ask Hellen where she belongs politically because we need to know who is with us.
With us who?
I don't know.
I'm with you.
Yes.
Yes.
Geoffrey, wherever you are, she's with you. Thanks for the show. I heartily and appreciate Hellen Mwagala. May God keep blessing her. Feel bad can't go through because I feel my message can't be so much understood through a text. But thanks for hosting her. Kathy Joan. Thank you. Ategedde ojja mukubirako kasi oba munoonyeko ku Twitter.
Yamunoonya ku Twitter.
Akunoonye bw'oyinza obutamulaba. Hellen, ennyumba bannaye kyakabijja omwami yeebale kola. So why do you call it the Hellen Lukoma mansion?
It is. Olwaki
omusajja omusaanikira?
Gwe nnyumba yo yani?
Yaffe.
Ewaka. Yamwe. Siyo. Olabye nze yange.
Okay. Tugenda Noro. Any last words?
Any last words? Nja kwebaza Katonda. Bwe nali mu situation gye nali nagamba nga bwe nagenda nja mwebazanga. Ate bwe nagenda nja kwespiring abantu abali mu mbeera eyange oba bali obubi. Nja kwebaza Katonda anzijje gye nvudde n'anteeka wendi. Ankwatiridde ate Katonda w'amaanyi. Mwagala nnyo nnyo nnyo. Nja kwebaza tatange ne mama wange mukyala Lukoma ne mwami Lukoma. Bwe balifuna chance ne bandaba. Nja bamanyisa nti mbaagala nnyo ate beebale nnyo. Nja kwebaza baganda bange Rachel mwagale ne Jackie Lukoma.
Ate abalala?
Abala tebaliwo bali wabweru wansi. Lukoma Junior, Lukoma Barbara.
Baafa.
Akwebaza muganda Lukoma Barbara, Lukoma Junior, Lukoma Andrew. Baagala nnyo. They have been there for me. Olumu twerabira okwebaza bana abantu. Twebaza abalala nga tulina kwebaza abantu batuli kumpi. Abatu pushinga okusanyusa abalala. Mbaagala nnyo. Beebale nnyo. I don't know what I can ever give them, but I'm very appreciative. Yakwebaza mwami wange.
Okay.
Beebale kunjagala. Beebale kuba musajja.
Wavunaanyizibwa.
Wabuvunaanyizibwa omusajja mulungi, omusajja njagaliza. Nkwagala nnyo obulamu bwange. Then njakwebaza bafaani bange. Mwebale kunjagala. Mwebale okulaba beyond bino ebiriwo ne musigala munjagala, nga munjagaliza mbaagala nnyo era sigala ba disappointing. I swear. I swear. Then njakwebaza. Mwebale kunnoonyaako era mu time y'embuto olubuto wankubirangako nombuuzaako kiri kitya.
Nga njagala ndabe n'akabuto ko nga katudde wano.
Okitegeera nani nja kukakuleeta naye maama.
I didn't know. At least I know the story
Thank
behind
you so
that.
much. Mwebale nnyo Mukama abongereze.
Kale, we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Nange nebaza nnyo mwami because I can see and tell that you're very happy. I can see. Mwami thank you for loving us and for making Hellen happy. Omujjamu zaako haki yo kubine yo kusatu neyo kola nazo zi making you happy.
Aki chechi. Bakazi abalala. Gwe. Chiche tuliko wano.
Bye for now. We'll see